Hi everyone. Today I am going to review this book, that is Indian Polity. The publication of this book is Cengage publication, that you can see in the corner. It is published by PrepMet in association with the Cengage publication. So today I will review this book. This book is for UPSC and State Civil Services examination, that you can see well here. Let me show you the back side of this book. So this is the back side of this book. It will cost you around 350 on Amazon and Flipkart. So let me just show you the contents of this book. So you can see the contents, that is making of the Constitution, preamble to the Constitution, part 1, Union and its territories. Likewise, you can see the part 2, citizenship, fundamental rights, directive principle of state policy, likewise fundamental duties. So this is what is the content: the states, the union territories, panchayats, central state relation, financial property, contract. So these are the chapters you can see. So total there are around 35 chapters total. So I'll start. The best part of this book is, let me show you first the first chapter of this book. You will get the idea of the successive chapters, while I'll make sure that you get the idea of first chapter, that is source of Indian Constitution. This is how this is given in this book. Composition you can see in the table form. This is how committees and all these, you can see the drafting committees members. So they are well explained and very precise and concise. You can see the tables, and the best part of this book is the practice questions given after each exercise. Just you can see. And there is some questions regarding prelims, perfecting past prelims. It means it is a previous year question of prelims. So this is same for all the chapters. You can see the second chapter and so on. After every chapter there is a question. You can see the graph, the pie charts and flow charts all given. And the best part is, many students ask that there is explanation given to the question or not. So let me show you the explanation of this, all the questions that you have already seen. See, this is solution for practice question and perfecting past prelims. The solution explanation is given here. In the previous pages you have seen the answers only, that is A, B, C, D, but here the explanation is given. Like chapter 1, making of the Constitution, practice question, this is the explanation given. So this is the very well explained and very concise actually. And the total pages of this book is around 452. So this is very good book, and I hope you really liked it. So all the best. Thank you.